That's an A+ in my books. Hey everybody! Creepy. Walter, come over here. He thinks we can't see him. Hi, puppy. Hi. Hey everybody, welcome. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little bit of a special guest. High five, buddy. High five. High five. Good boy. So for today's video, I'm gonna be giving you my top 5 tips on how to prepare to go back to school. I myself am actually a student, and I find that these 5 tips are very helpful when I'm getting back into gear for going to school. So I'm about a week away from heading back in, so I've already started preparing, getting ready, getting back into the routine, which leads me into my first tip. Number 1, go to bed early, especially the night before school. But even before then, it's great to start getting into the routine. So go to bed early, even if you just lie in bed, it's great for your body to start relaxing, and your body can start winding down at the time that you need it. Sleep is very important, especially for your brain and being able to retain and learn. So start early and get into a good sleeping routine. Number 2, plan out your first week of outfits. This sounds kind of funny and maybe unnecessary, but number 1, you want to look great on your first day of school. First impressions are everything, and show everybody, I had a great summer, I look great, I feel great, that sort of thing. And on top of the fact that if you have everything planned out, you're already starting so much new, a new schedule, getting up, a new routine, that already knowing what you're gonna be wearing on each day is just one step ahead of the game, and you'll feel so much better. Plus, you'll look cute the whole week. And that's an A+ in my books. Number 3, stay hydrated and do not eat a lot of salt. So especially for me, leading up to school, I gotta flush out all this ice cream and stuff that I've been having this summer. I've done a pretty good job with eating healthy, but of course it's the summer. You're gonna have popsicles and chips and all of this stuff. And for me, when I have a lot of salt, then it's all in my face. So stay hydrated, drink lots of water. This is a great habit. It helps with brain function, it helps keep you awake, and it just overall is what your body needs, and it's a very good habit to get into. And getting rid of salt, chips, fries, anything like that will eliminate the bloat, any puffiness in your face for the first day of school, and start you on a healthy track for the rest of the year. Number 4, organize your backpack and calendar. So even now, before you've even started school, or maybe you've started school, you need to get a calendar, whether that be on your computer or a paper one, but you need to start writing things down, get them out of your brain and organize them in a place that's very central to you, whether that be a bullet journal or again, a notebook, whatever you need to keep your brain from remembering and just thinking, that's what you need to do. Also, organize your backpack. The last thing you want to do is to be waking up the day of school and rushing around figuring out what you need. So it's not only fun to organize your backpack and get all excited about those things, but it's just very practical so that you don't have to worry about it on your first day of school. And my last tip is clean and organize your room. It feels so good to wake up on the first day of school and not be in a mess and not be in an unorganized room. It's just really good for peace of mind, and your brain doesn't need to deal with that clutter. We already clutter our brains enough up here, so we need to keep our space nice and organized and fresh. So wash your sheets, do all your laundry, make sure that your room is as clean as it can be, because that will be so rewarding after your very first day of school, and it'll help get you into the habit to start your new school year. So these are my 5 tips on how to prepare to go back to school. I'm very much so looking forward to my first day. Let me know if you're going back to school and what you're looking forward to, or what tips you like to do to get ready to go back to school. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video. Bye!